Okay. Idalia is still a tropical storm as of the 8 o'clock advisory. Winds still sustained at 70 miles an hour, but we do expect this to strengthen into a hurricane later on tonight. It will then become a Category 2 hurricane likely by tomorrow afternoon. It will continue to strengthen over those warm Gulf waters, and it will likely become a Category 3 hurricane overnight Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. And then at some point Wednesday morning, maybe late Wednesday morning even, it will make landfall somewhere near the Big Bend, Appalachia Bay region of Florida. From there, it will continue to move off to the northeast, but look how it will likely stay at Category 1 strength. That's the forecast right now as it moves near or over Lake City, and then eventually dropping down into that tropical storm status. But so for the Lake City area, Columbia, Baker, Bradford, Union counties, we are expecting it to still be a Category 1 hurricane when it moves over your area. That means sustained winds of at least 74 miles an hour. You could get gusts up to 95 miles an hour, which means you could have roof damage. Large branches could be snapped. So that is a dangerous situation. Also 6 to 8 inches of rainfall possible. We can't rule out some isolated tornadoes. It will then move through our inland Georgia counties, gusts up to 70 miles an hour possible. Isolated tornadoes, 4 to 6 inches of rainfall. As for our coastal Georgia counties and Nassau County, gusts up to 65 miles per hour are possible. We'll also be watching out for some storm surge, 2 to 4 feet possible. In Duval County, gusts of up to around 65 miles an hour could lead to some power outages. We'll also watch out for some isolated tornadoes. In Clay and Putnam County, same story, gusts up to 70 miles an hour. Power outages are possible. For St. Johns and Flagler County, gusts up to 60 miles an hour are possible. So that could also lead to some power outages. We're expecting 1.5 to 3 inches of rainfall there. Now for our coastal communities here in Florida, peak storm surge could be up to about 3 feet, and then again in Georgia up to about 4 feet for our storm surge. As for winds, they're moving in already late Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Look at this. So the red here, that's gusts near 40 miles an hour. Purple are stronger gusts, and that could continue to move across our area. Strong wind gusts through the Jacksonville area too Wednesday afternoon. We do expect our first bands to start to move through late Tuesday night, and then they will continue to wrap into our area throughout Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, Wednesday afternoon. This is likely going to be getting on out of here later Wednesday evening and clearing out Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Rainfall total is likely going to see most of the rain on the west side of this storm. So more of our northern and northwestern areas, you're likely going to get higher rainfall totals. Still, though, we'll have those bands of heavy rain wrap into all of our areas. We do still have tropical storm watches in effect for a good portion of the first coast. Hurricane watches in effect for our inland counties, though, and we do expect that to be bumped up to a hurricane warning overnight tonight. So leaving you with the big 3 things. Wednesday, that is the day that we will be impacted by Idalia. Category 1 as far inland as Lake City. Now is the time to prepare. Be prepared for power outages and isolated tornadoes.